welcome to Hawaii LED screen. Today, we are here to show you what we have brought here. Experience Hawaii LED screen. We don't limit ourselves here. If you look into the 3.8 G Max series, this is black LED. You can use our G Max cabinet in the indoor as well as in the outdoor. If you want to explore more on the G Max or if you want to explore more on the Hawaii, we have our flexible series. You can bend the cabinet and with 8 cabinets, we can make a perfect round. That is great, right? It's a cabinet, can you believe it? You can add a straight cabinet and a quadrant cabinet together. This is our triangle cabinet. See, you all are into events and you know how much creative you want your events to get, right? So we don't limit there. We have our standee here. As you can see, it's a high resolution P1 series standee. What we have made here, see, it's a globe. What, a world map or something else, you can add anything. This is like really good. In Hawaii, we bring standards to the industry. We bring innovations to the industry. So if you want to know more about us, get in touch with us, contact us. We shape the future.
Hawaii is actually perfect for it.
This is the first time in India, I think, Hawaii introduced 2x2 exact. Your product are very pioneer.
I saw your walls. The clarity was nice. Definitely recommend your video walls. So I can rate Hawaii 10 on 10. It's good company.
Yeah, Hawaii is a good option to go with. And probably I'll pitch Hawaii in our future projects if possible.
I knew that Hawaii has a best cabinet. It's great then because nobody is providing the exact figure and you have it. It's great.